Congratulations on selecting ComforTrac, the most advanced home cervical traction system available. To begin, place the ComforTrac cervical traction device on a flat surface such as a carpet or mat. Set the angle of traction as instructed by your healthcare provider. To change the angle of traction, turn the unit over, then lift and slide the base to the 10, 15, or 20-degree position. Next, make sure the neck wedges are properly spaced as instructed by your healthcare provider. To adjust the neck wedges, pinch the adjustable clips located underneath the unit, then slide the neck wedges to the recommended setting. Make sure you have enough room to stretch out and that the device is not resting on top of the air pump hose. Also, make sure the pump is easily accessible once lying down. Ensure that the head slide is in the starting position by pressing and holding the air release button. Lie down on your back, placing your neck between the neck wedges, your shoulders relaxed, and your head resting comfortably on the head slide cushion. The neck wedges should comfortably cradle your neck. Place the forehead strap around your forehead and adjust for a snug fit. Slide your body down so that the neck wedges are making firm contact with the back of your head. Once again, ensure that the head slide is in the starting position by pressing and holding the air release button. Now you are ready to begin gradually pumping air into the device. Monitor the hand pump gauge and stop pumping when the recommended amount of traction force has been attained. The hand pump will hold the pressure automatically. ComforTrac features a high-quality gauge designed to be extremely accurate. If the traction reading drops, it may have been caused by head movement or repositioning. Slowly pump the device back to the desired reading, then relax. Should you pump the device beyond your recommended traction force, press the release button until the correct reading has been attained. After you have reached your recommended traction force, begin timing your treatment as prescribed by your healthcare provider. Be sure to lie still and relax during your treatment time. In case of an emergency, fully depress and hold the release button until traction is in the neutral position. After the traction is complete, press the release button to reset the traction back to the neutral position. Release the forehead strap and relax for a couple of minutes before removing your head from the ComforTrac device. You have now completed your treatment. Return the ComforTrac device to the custom bag. No disassembly is required. Thank you for watching this presentation. We hope you enjoy the benefits from the most advanced cervical traction device available.